Hello, I'm Ms. Saba Chaudhary. As we know that we are going to celebrate 50th anniversary of Earth Day on 22nd April. Thank you, Tarumitra, for inviting us in this World Earth Day celebration, which is considered as Awareness Day. And as we know that this year, this World Earth Day theme has been taken as Earthrise Day. The question is this: why do we need to consider this as Earthrise? It's very simple. What exactly we have done wrong thing with our Mother Earth? We made it cry in place of giving happiness. Our Mother Earth is crying. What has happened exactly? Due to global warming, as a result of overpopulation, has made glacier to melt, and this has resulted in increase in level of sea water. So it is expected here, according to life science, that by 2085, most probably Maldives can be submerged. So in this way, like slowly and slowly, Earth can be submerged here. So this is very serious issue here. So this is high time to decide. वक्त है कुछ करने का, अपनी धरती को बचाने का. पर्यावरण नर्क है, किसी भी तरह से उसे स्वर्ग बनाना होगा. करना क्या होगा उसके लिए? We'll have to promise ourselves with certain things. Because Earth is miracle. It's providing so many resources, like fossil fuels are there, water is there, trees are there, gases are there, natural way. We did not ask for that. They are providing. Earth is providing to us. It's one-sided gift. But we are not taking, we are not giving credit to our Mother Earth. Now this is high time. We'll have to think that which way fossil fuels can be reused, recycled, and which way it can be used so that environment should not get affected. There should be positive impact of global warming, which can affect our standard of living also. These things are supposed to be there, and we have to promise. We have to understand our responsibilities. With so many challenges, we have to think one part. Each and every place government cannot take care of Earth. We, common man, common people should come forward to understand, to take care of our motherland, or what you'll say, Mother Earth. When you'll ask me, first thing which I understand, we should plant number of trees, because whatever plantation that's going on, that's not sufficient, because global warming has started affecting trees. So plantation of trees should increase. Second, we have to conserve water. Water conservation has to be there, and we should not waste water. Third part, we should not produce so many waste. And the waste that is going to produce, it should be in that form which can be decomposed, because it's creating water pollution. Fourth part, we have to take care of animals. We have to take care of their security. We should have sensitivity towards animals, birds and animals. Now you can feel it, what has happened. इतने हम लोगों ने अपने मन बढ़ा लिए कि किसी ने बैट खाया, और what it resulted, पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड को हिला दिया इसने. सारी जगह कोरोना वायरस फैल गया. या तो ये मिथ है, या फिर कुछ ऐसा हुआ है हमारे नेचर में जिसकी वजह से एक ये कोरोना वायरस पार्टिकल हमारे आसपास घूमना शुरू कर दिया. ये रियलाइज़ करना होगा. इसके बाद हम लोगों को नेक्स्ट जो ध्यान रखनी होगी कि किस तरह से हमारे आसपास ह्यूमन बींग्स जो हैं, जो अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड हैं, उनका केयर कैसे करना है, हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. और एक बात और जो अभी खुल करके आ रही है, वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ सराउंडिंग। एटलीस्ट जो जगह जगह स्पिट करते रहते हैं, जो स्पिट आज के डेट में इतनी खतरनाक हो गए हैं कि वो कोरोना वायरस को स्प्रेड करने में इतनी मदद कर रहे हैं, उसके ट्रांसमिशन के लिए वो एक कैटलिस्ट हो गए हैं। तो ये पब्लिक को अवेयर कराना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि अपने आसपास आप गंदगी ना फैलाएं। Lastly, I promise myself, as a teacher, you can say in teaching line, I'm going to be 25 years old now. I'll take responsibility to make my students aware of importance of earth. Each day for them should be Earth Day celebration. That is Awareness Day celebration, you can say here. They should come forward to take care of resources present on earth. They should give respect to that, and they have to take care of all these pet, water, and whatever natural resources present here. They have to show gratitude. So together we are going to fight with the problems which you are facing, with the change in climatic condition, the way environment is changing. Together we can do. Only thing is what each and everybody has to come forward to understand this problem. Thank you very much. Once again, happy anniversary. God bless all of us. Thank you.